Let's back up and talk a little bit about the history of dental insurance. Some of you will know that my undergraduate degree is in history. I happen to enjoy all things related to history. And of course, things related to dental history because of my profession. And if we go back into the late 1960s, dental insurance was a novel, innovative idea. And the idea of creating dental insurance was an initiative on the part of dentists to help bring more people to the dental office, to get the public to visit the dental office more. And so, dental insurance dates back to the 1960s, late 1960s. And the whole idea was that by creating dental insurance, it was going to create more likelihood that people would visit the dentist, and then we get all the benefits associated with that. It helped people become more healthy. It helped them keep their natural teeth. It helped them achieve better oral health. And there were very noble purposes with dental insurance. It was a very noble pursuit. In the beginning, it was by dentists for dentists to help the public achieve better oral health. Unfortunately, over time, a lot of things have shifted. And, when I look at the four entities that are involved in dental insurance today, there's the dental insurance company that provides the insurance benefits. There's the dentist that provides the care. There's the patient that receives the care. And there's the employer who purchases the policy. When I look at those four entities, it's very lopsided. There's only one winner in the analysis of those four entities, and that's the dental insurance company. The dentist loses because he or she is forced to pay to take a massive discount on their fees. And that typical discount today is between 45 and 50% of their usual fees. The patient loses because of all the silly regulations and rules that are created by the insurance company. Heaven forbid your patient should show up 5 months and 29 days after the last hygiene visit, because that claim will be stamped denied because there wasn't a 6-month wait. Also, the patient loses because there's many exclusions in all the different insurance policies. And the employer loses. The person the entity that bought the insurance loses because of the massive overpayment that they're required to pay to purchase those premiums. The employer loses as well. The only one that benefits is who, Naren? Who's the only one that benefits in this equation?
The insurance company.
And is it the entire insurance company? Do you think all the employees at the insurance company benefit?
No, probably like the fat cat, the CEO, the C-suite.
The executive suite, it benefits by the massive amount of money that they extract in the form of their compensation package. Everyone else loses. Now, I think it's positive news that the number of people that have dental insurance is actually declining. But because I'm going to contrast that with another fact today, there is also evidence that shows that the public has never been more interested in their health than they are today. Think about that over time. Naren, do you believe that to be a true statement? The public is more interested in their health today than they've ever been in our history.
I think that's true, Gary. I think we live in a time and an age where information is in our fingertips, right? 24 hours a day, just on our phones to any device we have in our pockets or in front of us, we have tons of information. So a lot of people are getting a lot of information about how to be healthy, how to, be proactive versus, wait for the doctor to tell them or give them some medication. So I think the world is totally different today versus the way it was even 2-3 years ago. And I think the trend is only accelerating the amount of interest. And I think COVID was a game changer too. So pre-COVID, I think people didn't really take health that seriously, but now I think majority of the people take their health very seriously.
It was a wake-up call, sadly, for many to be proactive in our health. My evidence of people in this period of time being interested in their health is look at nutritional information on food products, Naren.
Yes.
There was a time where we didn't have nutritional information. It didn't have to be published. And now we have all this information and the public consumes that information.
Right.
They want to know, what the nutritional benefits are of XYZ product. Health club, fitness memberships are at all-time highs, because people want to be proactive about their health. So I think it is good news that the number of people with dental insurance is declining, because in fact, the promise of dental insurance really hasn't come true. The promise that having dental insurance would result in more people visiting the dentist and more people, proactively taking care of their health and achieving better oral health. And let me show you evidence of that. This we're going to talk about different statistics today. I think it's important to have data. Naren, do you know that of those people that have dental insurance, only 22% of the people that have dental insurance use their annual award to the full award? Only 22%.
That's crazy. Yeah, that's like that means.
Yeah, they don't use it. They don't go to there's many.
So you're saying
that don't go.
Half of Americans who are adults don't have dental insurance, and those of that half, only 22% actually use their entire
to the full benefit.
Full benefit. So that means that's 10% of the population. 10%.
10%. If you do the extrapolating math, roughly 50% of the population has dental insurance, but it's declining. It's now declining. Yes. And only 22% of those that have insurance are fully utilizing the benefit. The rest of them, they have the dental insurance benefits, they have the benefits, but they don't use them. They get to the end of the year, and of course, those benefits don't carry over. They go back to the fat cats at the insurance company. That's how they've designed the plan. Another trend that's affecting this is that companies are not required to provide dental insurance benefits.
Right.
And Naren, in the era that we're in right now, with under inflationary pressure, every company in the US is being affected by inflation. Everything they buy is more expensive. Their costs are going up, especially their payroll costs are radically going up. And in face of, increasing global pressure on economics, if they're not required to pay dental insurance benefits, then many companies are choosing not to, because of the fact that it's not really appreciated by their employees. And it's not appreciated by the fact that only 20% of the people, 22% of the people that have it will fully utilize their benefits. So an executive of a large company might look at this and say, my goodness, somewhere between 1 in 4 and 1 in 5 will actually use the benefits to its utmost. Why in the world should we even provide this?
Got it.
And when we look at it that way, it really is a poor return on that investment, a very poor return on that investment.